I am a 100% disabled veteran. I served 23 years in the military. I was a medic. I either provided care or provided equipment that saved lives on the battlefield.
We can provide everything from a full-on field hospital, meaning the shelters, the power, the lighting, the medical equipment, the consumables, now pharmaceuticals, entire package. We also have a portfolio of training and readiness solutions. Some of the main focus areas that we're currently working on is looking at how do we make existing kits more expeditionary, more lightweight, and how do we make it smaller, lighter, so that it's more deployable into the field.
We had a customer that didn't truly understand what ADS did and the options that we could provide them. And they're only 4 hours away. Because I wasn't getting through to the right people, I drove there. And in 10 minutes, they understood everything that I was talking about, and they submitted the order very last minute, end of year.
We really are always trying to find that solution for the customer. And even if it's out of our wheelhouse or something we can't do, we're at least pointing the customer in the direction so they can fulfill their requirement.
Being able to provide life-saving medical equipment for those units that are going into harm's way, to provide life-saving care that allows us to continue to bring people home, is what drives me every day to support our customers in that battle space.